Warriors, we are here, another Facebook Live. It is a Tuesday at about 2:40. I wanted to jump on, and it's been a little bit of time since we did a Facebook Live, so how's everybody doing? Listen, we don't have to look far to see it is a crazy time right now. We all know this. It's pretty interesting times. A lot of decisions to make. But here's what we do know. Remember, the biggest thing that you know you can do, and I know I can do for my family and for myself and my staff and our practice members, is try our best to take care of ourselves and boost our immune system. I don't hear enough talk about this. I see a lot of fear, and that has to be that way, I guess. But really what we want to do is we want to try our best to find ways to boost our immune system, because we don't know what's coming, we don't know what's happening, and we do know that if we're in a better state, we're going to deal with things as best we can. And we want to know we're doing everything in our power to protect ourselves and our family. So that's the bottom line. So that's why over the month of November, we're going to be doing a Facebook Live each and every Tuesday at 11:30 a.m. Don't worry, most of you will be able to get the replay, so that's not going to be too much of an issue. But what we wanted to do is we get tons and tons of questions about, hey, what else should I be eating? Do you think this is the right supplement? You know, what exercises would you recommend for me? I have a lot of pain. So I want to cover kind of some of these topics and the best ways that you can begin to create a plan for yourself so that you can protect yourself and your family the best way you can. So we'll be doing that. Look out for our Facebook Live. We'll be doing them Tuesdays over the month of November. It'll be a series. We'll do different modules, and of course we'll have playback and stuff for you to kind of review it if you can't make the live, because that's how Facebook works, I guess. So we will be looking forward to bringing you those messages. It has never been a more important time to take care of yourself and create a plan that you know in your heart, so you're doing everything possible to stay as healthy as possible. So that's it for now. I will look forward this Tuesday coming up, the beginning of November at 11:30 a.m. to get the ball rolling, and we'll be talking a little bit about things you can do to help your immune system. And remember, your health, it's your most precious commodity, so don't waste it. All right, don't waste it. All right, till the next time I see you on Facebook Live, that's it for today. Talk to you guys on the other side. Bye-bye.